Yo, you feel tight, locked up like an old machine, muscles squeaking like sneakers in the gym. You already know who to call. Yo, you stiff like a log, can't move your neck. Back so tight you can't cash that check. Feet like bricks, stress in your chest. Call life Rex, we handle the rest. Therapy Pro, yeah, we pull up clean. Hands so magic, call us the dream team. We ain't guessing, we assessing, bringing muscle blessings, pressure finessing. If you hurt it bad, who you gon' call? Life hurt. Feeling stiff, can't move at all. Life hurt. In your house, no weight, no stress. Massage game strong, we the real best. Pain in your back, neck on lock. Life feel like a robot, ticking like a clock. Life, you book the slot, we bring the vibe. From Glendale to LA, we ride. We got bands, oils, and trigger point skills. Turn your pain down low, give you real chills. Your desk job messing with your spine. We realign while you recline. No drama, no hype, we bring that peace. Shoulders release, the anxiety cease. From Koreatown to Malibu streets, we knock pain out, and we never miss beats. Yo, we pull up quick with that mobile swag. Table in the trunk and a red duffel bag. No candles, no fluff, this ain't no spa. It's therapy real, we drop jaws like damn. Certified healers, pro level touch. Pain relief so good, they say too much, but nah, it's just right. You feel brand new after Life Rex. You glide when you move. Wait, who you gon' call? Life Rex. Feeling broke down? Life Rex. Post game pain? Life Rex. Get that flow back in your brain. In-home massage, pro hands and drive. Los Angeles rolling, we keep you alive. So next time your body wanna give you a fight, call Life Rex and get back right. Book online, text the crew. We show up, and you show out. Life Rex, massage on demand in LA. Let's go.